The pattern stamp tool allows you to paint with a pattern in your image. So you want to choose a brush type and a brush size from the drop-down menus. You want to choose the new way the colors mix with those already there in the mode menu. Opacity will determine the transparency of your pattern when it is applied in your image. Flow will limit the amount of the pattern that is applied. It resembles opacity except with flow, if your brush passes over the same area repeatedly, it will accumulate to full density. You can select airbrush if you want your pattern to be applied continuously for as long as the mouse button is held down, even if you are not moving your cursor. Then you can choose a pattern from the drop-down menu here, so you can choose any one of these patterns here, or if you click on the arrow on the right hand side, it brings up a list of other patterns for you to choose from. If you have aligned checked, this will apply the pattern as a continuous texture even if you release the mouse button and paint over top of it. If this is unchecked, aligned will overlap and it will apply the pattern discontinuously. If you have impressionist checked, it will apply the pattern like an impressionist style painting. You can also make your own pattern by using the rectangular marquee. So if we have another image open, we can select the rectangular marquee. Just select any area in the image that you want to make the pattern. Then you go up to Edit and Define Pattern. We're just going to leave this as Pattern 1 for the name. You can hit OK. We'll just minimize this. Now when we go back into our pattern stamp tool, we go back into the pattern palette, there is the new pattern that we made. So let's just check this one on. Now all you have to do is just click and drag in your image to apply the pattern. So as you can see, when I'm applying the pattern in the image, this one actually applies the pattern in a tile setting. And if I check the Impressionist on, we'll just show you what that one does here. So you can see the difference. So this one does apply the pattern in the Impressionist style way.